Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make this greeting card. Since Diwali is coming, so I thought of making this card specially for Diwali. All the supplies are from Dress My Craft and Crafters Corner. First, we will be taking this white cardstock which will form the base. This is an A4 size sheet. Then we will paste this golden mirror cardstock to give it a festive look. Then this is a metallic flourish cardstock from Dress My Craft only. This one. This is the SKU of this metallic flourish paper. And then I have added this image of Lord Ganesha. This is a transfer me sheet. This is the cutout from the die Shubh Deepavali, and then I have decorated it with some sequins. This is the sequins family set. I have used this red one. Other materials that we would be needing are some glue, scissors, glossy accents. This is basically to paste these sequins, some foam tape, a cutter. This is the die cut of Shubh Deepavali, some water brush for this transfer me sheet, or you can use any sponge with water. So let's get started. So I have taken this A4 size cardstock and folded it in half. The dimensions of this card is 21 cm by 15 cm. I have taken this golden mirror cardstock of dimensions 20 cm by 14 cm, and we will paste this on the white cardstock. Now I have taken this metallic flourish. The size is 19 cm by 13 cm. 19 by 13. So now we will paste this metallic flourish cardstock. I am using a foam tape to give it a three-dimensional effect. Now the base of the card is ready. And now the fun part. We are going to use these transfer me sheets. First, cut out the image that you want to use. Take any cardstock. I am using this extra smooth ivory cardstock. Now peel this plastic sheet, paste it on a cardstock, now using this water brush, put some water on it. And as it absorbs water, you will see the design being transferred on the cardstock. Now carefully remove this. So pretty. Now we will use this cutout. Similarly, you can use this swastik or Om. Now we will paste this in the center. Again, I am using this double tape. Now this is the die cut. I have used metallic pink cardstock for this. Now let's paste this over here. And the last part, the sequins and the glossy accent. Now let it dry for some time. And our greeting card is ready.